The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the fork screw securing the top panel. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the panel. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. There may be some wires in the way. Then unclip the middle latch upwards to be able to open the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1164C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Reinstall the panel by aligning the tabs with their catch. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.